Welcome to 11926 Port Labelle Drive, here in the Christopher community of Southern Highlands. This one sits on a half acre, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. Come inside, let's take a look. Here in the primary suite, we have floor-to-ceiling tile in the shower, dual sinks, standalone tub, makeup station, and a large his and her closet. Beautiful white kitchen with Viking professional appliances, sea pearl polished quartzite that goes down the waterfall of the island and up the backsplash. It's all about the outside too. We got a dining area covered, pool and spa with rock formation, putting green, no neighbor behind. Picture yourself here. One of my favorite features of this property is the private side yard. Great for entertaining guests with beautiful fountain and mountain views. Thank you so much for touring my latest luxury listing. Reach out to me if you need anything. I'm gonna shoot some putts here, and I'll see you guys soon. Las Vegas living at its finest. Your villa in Southern Highlands awaits.